Then we are going to model a bottle from a Fanta image. So we are going to start by importing. We are going to start by importing the image that we are going to model from, like the reference image that we are going to be using to model the bottle. And we are going to come to this part here to add. Then we are going to come to image and then reference image. Then we are going to come to the location where I've saved the image. I'm going to choose the font and then add PNG. Then I'm going to change these values here, the values of the origin. I'm going to put everything first at 0, like that. Then change it like that, and then so then I'm going to increase the size of the image on the viewport by pressing Ctrl and then plus on the keyboard like this. We are going to be using, I'm going to add a cylinder because that's what we are going to use, model the same. I'm going to add a cylinder like this. I'm going to change the number of vertices to 10 like this. And then rotate it along the x-axis 90 degrees like this. And then I'm going to reduce, I'm going to scale it up to the level where it's nearly, also move it like taking this area, the one that is that. Okay, let's also come to the image here. We're going to change the opacity. We're selecting the opacity. We don't want it to be on our face, so I think that's okay. We're going to move it aside a bit. No, we're going to also change it such a way that the image, you can't move the image. So I'm going to select this and uncheck it so that you can select it. Then I'm going to pick this one and make it is properly aligned. Ensure that it's properly aligned with the image that you're going to use as the model. I'm going to switch to wireframe like this, and I'm going to scale it further. Scale it further like that. I think that's the okay, can even scale it out to a bit like that. Then I'm going to lower it a bit. Okay, come to edit mode. Then I'm going to move these edges here. Select these edges by pressing Alt and then left click to select everything, and then lower it like this. And then I'm going to come the same and raise it a bit like that. Then I want to come here, select again, and then I'm going to extrude like this. Then no, I'm going to extrude like that, and I'm going to scale it, a bit. To the bottom. We'll work with everything else later. are going to work with later. So then you are going to select this here. And then scale inside a bit and extrude. Scale outwards a bit. Extrude that. Scale inwards a bit. Extrude like that. Scale inwards. Extrude. Scale outwards. Extrude. Scale outwards. Extrude. Scale outwards. Extrude. Scale inwards. Extrude. Scale inwards again. Extrude again. Extrude again. Scale outwards. Scale inwards. Extrude a bit and scale inwards further, then extrude like that. So see, let's see how it looks. We can even, so this is how it looks. All of them. Then we are going to extrude a bit like that. Then scale inwards. Scale inwards. All the faces here. Then choose all these faces here and come to select and then check out the select. With the selected, press Alt and then E and choose extrude manifold. And then Alt E, extrude manifold. Yeah, extrude manifold like this. It should be okay. And then I'm going to come and select auto merge vertices here. Then with those selected, I'm going to come here. These vertices here. I'm going to select vertices, choose these vertices here. And GG to grab, bring it there. Then choose these vertices, edge here. Choose select here, choose this edge. GG. before we even add the surface I like using I'm going to delete this face. Come to edit mode and I'm going to select this face, delete it like this, and then I'm going to select the edges at the top. Going to extrude a bit. Just like that, and then scale inwards. Oh, scale inwards. Oh, I'm going to extrude along inwards like this. That should be okay, like that. So, let's see. So I'm going to add, I'm going to come to the object mode, select it, and then choose modifiers. Yeah, I'm going to add subdivision surface modifier. Change levels to like that, and then I'm going to right click and shade out of smooth like that. So as you can see, that's the body.